Stress management is a key to building your trading psychology. Many factors play a role in dealing with stress while trading. Let's start with the root cause of stress while trading. In my opinion, high risk per trade. This is the #1 cause of stress in trading, especially for the beginners. If you lose 50% of your account, you have to make 100% to make up for that loss, and your mind knows it. Don't ever risk more than 1% on any given trade. I recommend beginners to stick with 0.1% risk per trade. Other factors include lack of right education and mentorship, lack of experience with market and economic cycles, lack of proven profitable trading strategy, trading multiple untested strategies at the same time, trading and managing multiple positions at the same time. And the solution for these problems is to get educated, have a strategy that you can backtest, and start small. Gain the necessary experience and build a psychology that fits your life situation.